John, one of the most important things when you're listing a house is curb appeal. Right?
I know that. I know this will. This gets me really excited. I love this.
Okay.
You know how we can make this. This house is gorgeous, but
Gorgeous.
we'll bring in like 6 Ferraris. Call Dave and his buddies. Get them, bring in their cars for coffee, and then I'm gonna get all my vintage motorcycle buddies. We'll park them right in front, and maybe some horse people because everybody loves horses, and the horses look fantastic out front. And so we'll have the horses tied up right there on a Sunday, and it's gonna look fantastic.
Charles, those are great ideas. But I was thinking we're like maybe adding some flowers to the front as you're walking in. Maybe just some lighting to make the house look.
Once again, you're bursting my bubble a little bit here, Ari. I thought we were right in my wheelhouse.
We are in your wheelhouse, and those are great ideas.
Thank you, Ari.
Yes. And maybe for this house, we can do that. But for
I think maybe we just need some flowers.
flowers are good.